Hello, friends. It's me again, Miss Shay. Today we are doing a drawing or painting, depends what you've got at home, of a cat. Why a cat? Because we are being inspired by Gustav Klimt. If you go to the e-board, you'll see he is the artist of the week. Gustav Klimt did gorgeous, beautiful paintings using silver, gold, copper, black, white, all kinds of shapes and patterns and lines. Beautiful stuff. Well, kindergarten, they're doing goldfish. First grade, they're doing a puppy. Second grade, you guys are doing cats. Now, Gustav had a very special relationship with cats. He had tons of them. Lots of cats. He liked his cats. We're going to do a cat for Gustav. So for now, we're going to start with a marker or a crayon and some paper. You're going to follow along with me, and then you are going to be working on your own. So we're going to start with our head. It's a circle. You're going to do it at the top of the paper. Underneath the head, we are going to be making a shape. It's kind of like a U or a bowling pin. It's bigger at the bottom, it's skinny at the top, more of a teardrop. So I'm going to start here. I'm going to go down and out and come back in. Got that? Good. All right. I'm going to give him some legs. 1, 2 lines. And then right under the body, 1, 2, 3 bumps. I'm going to do it again. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. We good there? The tail. I love the tail. It's like a question mark or the number 2, but only half of it. So I'm going to do like the number 2 or a question mark. And go to the body here. I'm then going to fatten that up. Easy peasy. It's looking a little blank. I think we have to add some. So we're going to go triangle ears. We're getting closer. We need a triangle nose, but make it point down. We're going to go with the letter J underneath for half his mouth. And we have to go backwards for the other half of his mouth. Next, we need eyes. We can't really do circles because cats have very unique eyes. They're gorgeous, but they are more pointy on the end. So they'll look more like an almond or a lemon shape. They're not circle. They're more slanted. And we're going to put a line in the middle. So there is my cat. Now that I have my cat, I have to add shape to it. I have to use a skinnier marker, I'm sorry. I'm going to start with, let's say, circles. Now, we want to make a pattern. So maybe I'm going to do circles across here, and I'll do triangles in between. What else can I do? I can do some rectangles. I can, I'm going to put a heart right there under the chin. We all love a heart. What else can I do? Maybe I'm going to make some teardrops. And I'm going to even do more. I'm going to go bump, 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 bump. I got some line. Maybe I'll make a stripe. And we'll do some diamonds. We'll look fancy. I got a fancy cat. I can work some stuff into the tail. Let's see. Maybe I'm going to do, I like the stripe idea. I think I might do that again. I think I'm going to go with some circles in here. Give them like polka dots. What else can I use? Squares. I didn't even think of squares. I'm going to put a square on each cheek. Maybe I'll do a diamond in between up here. I can put another triangle up here. And you know what? I think I'm done. I can keep going, but then my shapes are going to get too close to each other and it's going to get a little messy. So now that I have my shapes, I'm going to color in using, again, markers. You can use crayons. You can use watercolors if you have those at home. You can make your own paint, follow one of the recipes online, but you are going to color your cat. If you have metallic, maybe you have metallic pencils or a marker, by all means, please use that. You could even use cut paper now that I think of it. Maybe you have tin foil or wrapping paper. That metal color will really make it more like Gustav Klimt. So, ladies and gentlemen, do me a favor. Take a picture of you with your cat. Send it to me with your name and room number to christine.shea@riverhead.net. I can't wait to see what you come up with. Stay tuned for next project. I'll let you know what it'll be. Have a great day. Stay safe.